I'm literally wearing sweatpants with my top. I look cute on top because that's what matters on the tube. Then as for everything else, I don't know. Hello honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. I am smiling from ear to ear because I can finally show you what's been going on up in this business. So as you know, I announced on Instagram that I cut my hair, and then I started like teasing you guys here and there with like pictures. A lot of you were DMing me, of course, saying like, can we just see? Then I did a post showing you guys like parts of my haircut, and I don't think a lot of you would have imagined an actual mohawk, okay? So in this video, I will get into the details of the when, the how, and the why, of course. Why I cut my hair, which has been kind of the biggest question on the gram. Before we do that, you know what to do. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Let me know down below what you think of this haircut. Is it what you expected? Like, that's my biggest question, because on Instagram people are pretty vocal. In the DMs, a lot of you think nechi scalp. A lot of you guys thought I cut all my hair off. Some people were saying no, it's definitely a brush cut. Oh no, some people were like nah, I see brush cut, she has no hair at all, she's completely bald. So with all of that, I want to know what you were thinking. Did you actually think I went ahead and cut all my hair off? Did somebody even suspect I'd ever go for a mohawk style? Yes, no? Tell me down below. And then of course, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It's absolutely free. Just click the subscribe button and join the Yolz channel family. For now though, let's get straight into this video. I will not be sitting here telling you when and how things happened. Instead, I'm going to link you straight to my vlog on the day I cut my hair. And then I'll catch you in a moment to explain the why. Why did I cut my hair? Why did I make that decision? And yeah, where it all came about. The first day of the year of 2020. I'm excited to cut this side off as well as this side. I want a mohawk style. I don't know how permanent this is gonna be, but I know I want this done, so let's go. So this may not come as a surprise to most of you, and that is the fact that I was kind of very bored with my hair last year. I just got to a state where it was more work than it was something I actually enjoyed and loved, which is where I started with my hair. The day I cut my hair, actually, my relaxed hair, I put it up on YouTube, and it was fun to do that because it was from my heart and it was something that I just generally wanted to share. In fact, to be honest with you, this was never meant to be a hair channel. The hair content wasn't even part of the plan at all. But the day I cut my hair and I put up that post, there was so much support that I needed emotionally, because I remember even thinking to myself, nobody wanted me to cut my hair, at least not in my family. I was dating Razi at the time, and even he was like, nah, don't cut your hair, your relaxed hair is long enough. Like, don't you enjoy your long relaxed hair? Why would you want to cut it? And I remember just saying, I want to do it for me. I want to have short hair. That is just for me. So I cut my hair, obviously, and that was for me. Getting into the journey, a lot of us obviously joined in. I don't want to say a lot of you, a lot of us, because there were a lot of friends and family who also went natural, who big chopped, some people transitioned, and it was great. But then it just became redundant. I played it safe most of the time, knowing that my money was basically where my hair was. Put your money where your mouth is. In my case, my money was on my hair, okay? started creating hair content, and I sort of created a niche within that. And because my money was dependent on my hair, I just looked at my hair as work over time. And then last year it hit me when I did my hair challenge that I am just sick of it. Like, I'm just tired of my hair the way it is. If I could, I would cut it. So instead I decided, no, let me actually grow my hair. So I did the hair challenge, and even then I was drained. I am 150% sure you guys saw it. I'm so sure you saw it, but you just didn't say it because it's obvious, guys. Like, there are things I literally struggle with pretending, and I know a lot of you can see right through false pretense. You guys can see through like fakeness very easily. So I shied away from creating a lot of hair content because I knew somebody's gonna call me out, okay? But I was making myself by boxing myself as a certain natural hair enthusiast that can only do certain things. And yes, everyone is like that. You could easily say, well, most naturals have a full head of hair, right? Yeah, but I was being like everyone else when I knew I didn't want to be. I knew the inner creative Yolz wanted to break out, you know. So I considered going blonde, and then I considered a pixie. I considered cutting my hair completely, getting rid of everything. But then I was like, nah, I don't like the shape of my head. I've had short hair before when I was younger, so I know the shape of my hair. And I was like, nah, let's be honest, Yolz, you don't want that. Then I thought, okay, what about the brush cut? Okay? And I remember my husband saying, you're gonna look like a boy if you do that. And I was like, yeah, and I don't want to do that. And then at the graduation party that I attended in December with my husband, I did vlog that. That was a Vlogmas video that kind of failed as well because that was literally one of 2 Vlogmas videos. At the graduation party, I saw somebody with a mohawk, and this girl was a natural. She had curly hair, like super curly hair. I turned around, I looked at her. She was at the table just behind us. There was a bridal party next door to our table, and I looked at her and I was like, wow, that is beautiful. Started eating my food. I looked at her again and I was like, damn, I want that hairstyle. I started eating my food again. I went back, then I looked at her again, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be great to just chop off the sides of my hair? Listen, I've always actually loved the idea of a mohawk, but I've never really liked it for me. So I've done 2 types of mohawks before. One here on my channel with hair where I pinned it up, and then the other one on a photo shoot for Bounce Hair, right, where I added their hair extensions onto my hair, pinned the rest up as well. And that style was pretty cute. And I remember thinking to myself, I would never really chop off the sides. If I can just braid it up, like, I can still achieve the hairstyle. But on that day, I was set to just thinking to myself, this is what I want. I told my husband and I was like, I really like that hairstyle. Wouldn't it look cool on me? And he shrugged and I was like, yeah, okay. That was the end of it for him, not for me. I went home and thought to myself, if I sleep on this and I have sleepless nights about this hairstyle, I'm doing it. I am literally doing it. So come the 1st of January, hey, Usisi Yolz wakes up. And we had a friend over. Lwazi's best friend was here. My sister was still around, Michelle, as well as my mom. My mom was in bed, and my cousin. So the house is still full. And I wake up thinking to myself, Yazin, I have a good mind of just going to the barber, shaving the sides off. I'm gonna do this mohawk thing. So we're watching TV. Me, I'm like, I'm cutting my hair. My sister, she just looks around the lounge and is like, this is a prank. Yolz probably has a camera somewhere. She's probably pranking us. Hey, yes, you guys. I am so serious. You know when I put Kosa in there, you know, just for that. So I go straight to my bathroom, put my hair in pins as you saw, and then I tell my mom, I'm gonna go cut my hair. My husband's outside and he's like, yeah, but there's people and expecting more people. Why are you gonna go now? My mind was so made up. I was like, whoever's gonna show up is gonna show up after I've done my haircut. If they come here, they'll find people. Me, at this rate, a haircut is probably gonna be 10-20 minutes, but I have to do this because I really want to do it. And he said, okay, fine, go. He did not take me seriously, I promise you. Boom! We did the things that needed to be done, and I came back home looking a little weird. Once I spritzed my hair with water, my hair looked like this, shrunken state. I moisturized it. I just got tired of being same old, you know, and I wanted to do this for me. I've wanted change for so long. but I didn't do it because Yolz plays it safe. Yolz for the longest time does things in a more predictable way, but I wanted to start my year differently, so I decided to go and cut my hair. So that's literally it, you guys. I feel so good, and now I found a new love, which I also did mention in the podcast, that I just found a new love for my hair. I love her now. I look at her in the mirror and I speak life over her. You know, I say, you are beautiful, Yolz, you have beautiful hair, and I love you, hair. I say that to my hair now, and I caress her, you know, I touch her a lot actually, probably more than I should. Low manipulation ways, all of that, y'all, but now I enjoy her again. So yeah, she's easy maintenance, by the way. Wash and goes are now my best friends. I can't believe how much I love wash and goes. Let me actually show you what I'm currently using. This is what I am absolutely loving at the moment. She is the game changer of my curl pattern. She literally, I'm gonna touch there, does the things that need to be done when it comes to the curls on this hair, the definition, everything. Right. So yeah, this is literally how my hair looks. I am absolutely obsessed with my hair. It's actually to a point where I think my hair is like, yo, we are sitanda. Wow, where is this love coming from? But yeah, I'm just at a better place, even mentally. These things do affect our minds, but to a large extent, I also want to say it wasn't that deep. There's like a balance to it. I know it was a heart and mind thing when I went to do it, and now I satisfied that part of me, and now I'm thinking, well, that's great. Yolz, you did that. But at the same time, I don't want us to leave here thinking, oh, everyone should go cut their hair. No. I know a lot of you have even DM'd me saying, I didn't know how attached I was to your hair until you cut it. We need to also realize, Uti, we are our own people, we are our own beings. We shouldn't let our hair define us. We should be the one defining what our hair should mean to ourselves. And I really hope to take on this new journey with you. How long will this hairstyle last? I really don't know, and quite frankly, I don't care if it's a year, if it's 6 months, who knows. I am thinking of dyeing it, of course, but that's something that I think I want to take my time with. I want to experiment with some wax right now, wax colors, and see where that takes me. Let us rather end this video and chat in my next one. I love you guys so much, and I hope you like this hairdo. Let me know in the comment section. Mwah. Bye.